In the previous lessons, we were able to join two tables together using inner join, left join, right join, and full join. So we wrote all these queries when we worked on those tables. In this lesson, we want to join many tables together because that is what you will be doing as a data analyst. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to save this query. So I'll click here, click on save, and then I'll save it on the desktop. I want to close this, I want to close all this, and close this again. What I want to do, come right here where you have these database diagrams under AdventureWorks. Okay, right click because there's something which I need to explain to you. So right click and click on new database diagram. I want to click on branch, click on add because I need branch in that query. So I also need a customers. I want to click on customers. I'll click on products, click on add. Then I'll click on cells. I'll click on add. What we are doing currently, this diagram we are creating is not required when you want to join many tables together. I want to explain something to you. Okay, so I'm going to bring these cells down. Then I'll take my branch to this point. I'll just simply carry it to this point. Then I'm going to reduce. I'm going to reduce this, reduce the size, something like this. Reduce this. Then reduce this again. I'll take it here. So look at these four tables. What we want to do, we want to use joins in SQL to combine records from these four tables. The branch table, the product table, customers table, and the sales table. But first, what we want to do first is to identify the matching columns or the common columns between these tables. Looking at the branch, we are going to use, if we want to retrieve records from the sales table between branch table and the sales table, we want to use this column, which is this branch here. All right. Right here on the sales data, we can also see this branch. So we're going to use this branch as the matching columns between branch table and the sales table. On the product table, we have identified this product key as the matching column or as the common column we want to use. And here also on the sales table, we can see this product key as well. So in this case, we're going to use this product key and then retrieve, whenever we want to retrieve records from the product table and the sales table, we're going to use this product key. On the customers table too, we can see this customer key. Then on the sales table, we have this customer key as well. There is customer key here. Okay, so whenever we want to retrieve records between customers and the sales, we're going to use this key. This is just what I wanted to show you. So I'm going to delete this. I don't want this. I don't want to save it as well. So I say no. Let's write this query. So I'll come to new query. Then ensure that you're currently on AdventureWorks database. This is what I want to do. First of all, I want to select P from product, P.product name. I've already identified all the columns that exist on this table. So I'll select product name, put comma here. I'll select size range from the products table, size range. So also select color, P the color. I'll select category, P dot category. Okay, let me open the products table to show you all these columns. I'll right click on the products. I'll click on edit top 1000 rows. Okay, look at this table and all the records. Look at this table and all the records. So I want to see all the product name. Okay, we have the product name column here. I also want to see size range. On this product table, we have size range here. I want to see it in that query. Then I want to see color. So right here also we have color here as a column. We also want to see category. Right here we have category as well. Where is the category? Let me scroll to the right. So we have category here. Okay, so these are the columns that we want to see. I just want to show you to ensure that you see that those columns exist. Okay, so we are done with the product table. So I'll hold my shift key and press the enter key on the keyboard. I need all the customers records or some customer records. So I will say C stands for customers. So I will say C.name. Okay. C.gender. I need the gender, customer's gender. I also need marital status. C.marital status. Marital status. Okay. I need to see customer's phone. C.phone. Let me also open the customer's data to confirm that we have all those columns. Okay, from the customers table, I need gender, I need name. So here we have name, right? We have name here. I also need gender. We have gender as a column. We need to see the gender. We have marital status. Right here we have marital status, which is this on the customers data. We have phone, okay, which is this. So I want to see all these records. So I'll close this. These are two tables. These are two tables. Okay. Remember, I need to put comma here, please. Just ensure that you put comma here. All right. So I'll press enter key on the keyboard again. For the branch data, I'll use B as branch to represent branch. I need branch. Then I also need branch manager. So I need manager. You're already familiar with the branch table, so I don't need to show you these columns. Okay. I'll hold my shift key, press the enter key again. Then I need sales data. From the sales table, I need order quantity, I need sales amount, I need tax amount. So I'll use S as to represent the sales table. So I'll say S dot order quantity. Okay, comma, S dot sales amount. And then S dot tax amount, tax AMT. Okay, let me open the sales table once again to confirm that we have all those columns. Okay, so right here you can see we have order dates. From the sales data, we have sales amount. We have sales amount. We have tax AMT. Okay, so this is how to arrange your codes or your query when you're bringing in different tables together. Altogether, we have like 4 tables. P for products, then we have C for customers, we have B for branch, then we have S for sales. So right here, what I want to do, I want to start by saying from products as what? As P. Okay? Inner join cells as what? Cells as S. Okay? On between the products table and the sales table, the column that is common is the product key. So I will say P dot on P dot product key equals to S dot product key. All right, let me explain this. I simply just want to retrieve records between the products table and the sales table using this key. If you look up that table again, you're going to find these keys there. I showed you before. All right. Now, how do we bring in other tables? I'll continue. I'll press the enter key, shift enter. I'll now say inner join again. Inner joined. Inner join. What am I joining? I want to join customer. I want to join customer, right? Inner join customers as what? C. Remember that this C represents customers. Okay. On the customers table, we have customer key as the common column we want to use to retrieve records between customers and the sales. So I will now say as C, all right, inner join customer as C on what? On C dot what? Customer key equals S dot what? On the cells we have customer key as well. See it here, customer key as well. We can continue like this and then bringing in so many other tables. We've done for 2 tables, I think. Yes, we need the branch, so shift enter, inner joined. All right, branch as what? As B on B dot. No, we want to use the branch column on the branch table to match with the branch on the sales table. So on B dot what? Branch equals S dot branch. On the sales table too, we have this branch column. We need to do for the last one, which is okay. I think we are done. Because we are actually working. We're actually using the sales table here. All right, so we're done. So right here, I want to put in comma. Please ensure that you put comma where necessary. All right, put comma here because we have continuation from here. We are continuing from here, so that's why we need a comma. Okay, invalid column marital status. Okay, so I need to correct this. Okay, look at this query. It looks scary, right? But there's nothing to worry about. You know, one thing you need to know about SQL is that you don't need to cram these codes. You just need to understand. Because you're not manufacturing any codes. All the keywords you use are already here. They're already there. You don't need to cram anything. Just understand how they work. So I'm going to highlight all this. I don't even need to highlight, okay? I just want to execute. So I'll click on execute. Wow. Right here we have the result. We have the result combining almost 4 tables in one query. This is powerful, and this is what you will be doing as a data analyst. Okay, SQL is very important. So let's look at this result set. We have retrieved all the product data that we need, which is product name, product size range, product color, and then product category. So right here we have this product name, size, range, color, and category. This is where the product table stops. From here, like this, up to this point. I'm not good at drawing. Okay, so this is where the product data ends. Okay, moving forward, we now bring in customers data, which is this name, gender, marital status, and phone. So you can see where the customers data continue. All right, from here. All right, from here like this, from this up to this point. This is the second table that we have joined together. Yes. Then we now move on to branch. We have branch name and we have branch manager. This is where the branch data starts. From his point, okay, up to, I've entered the other side. Okay, yes. And then the sales table, which is what we have, other quantity, sales amount, and tax AMT. So this is where the sales data starts. This is where it starts and this is where it ends. So you can notice that we used different tables, in this joined query to retrieve all this record. Trust me, when we start analyzing data, right, using SQL, you're going to be writing a lot of these queries. We're going to be writing queries like this. So all you need to do is to understand how this query works and then get yourself familiar with this query. See you in the next lesson.